Nimbie ni nyansa.
Daniel 8. Come on.
Senway. Nimbie ni nyansa. Aseno.
I was Aba. Benjamin
Aba.
Who said a whole Ghana? A March 12. Now, idea ego region be different. They would say declare.
Wow.
No, but I won't send if I
Jesus.
Says Yami Masatu of voter region. In the voter region, who says so for your flow voter region.
Voter region.
Watching on your front to and what a can wish the bush of Faton goes slow. And the amount of voter region, Mom can't tell them. The American what I say.
Yes, Papa.
So for back. Oh my goodness.
Amen.
Nimbie ni nyansa. Senway. Minamie.
I said right now, right here.
Right now, right here.
If we are and Kwanza, Asante and Abiemwa.
Kwanza.
Who another software, Kojon Kroma. I walk and Kranza. Now, and Kranza and young Kranza feel now, and Kranza could say, the person catch you, we are much well. We hear Yari and Komukum Rasha. So I'm going to affair you come to the hospital to be my Samato.
Let's see.
Indian Yansa,
Papa,
what is for? Papa prophesy.
Yes, Papa.
Who's ever do Dubai? We do Dubai, my company. You call not near Messio. A dear bone air Rajua. Sister be a flow of Rajua. Walk called Dubai of Fanyama, Niaman Fenina, a Radia Bees. But I'm talking about for
wow.
Indian Yansa. Now, oh my call. Oh my call. Mammy, I saw picking on the saw picking. No, before Musa Buffon would have him. Or would have found Musa. What the uncle for good? So for both to mammy, no secasa. And the mamma not cheated 3 safe. I call a year now. No, say the year 2025.
My God.
24th, 25th, 26th to 27th January. Amen.
Amen.
Can I prophesy? Yes, sir. Me who saw for na so say. Or so straight to Doma.
Jesus.
I hope Papa Patias.
Patron.
Me who out.
What the Papa?
Pacho.
Hey. Hey. Who would have Papa there? Who would have Papa pass? Titi 8 no. A tata a spiritual.
Wow.
Okay, also Papa did. We did. Oh dear, I feel like I'll pass watching or train into what true dinner bone.
Wow.
But you didn't change, will be a song or say, Pin, or bet you be good. But to change you didn't know. I feel why you're confused. And above one, a fat trunk. Jenam can 8 and young one a trunk. And I or fire or Pejako to say Musa and Yamaya Muma. In the rest of the Musa man Trabatos.
Jesus.
And watch them in here. If you have a country so far, Konakoi, watch them direction. So far, country of non Concoyadi.
Amen.
Now, still your own farm cross. So there's something you don't need to cross with it. This is very dangerous. This is very dangerous. I didn't mean you're very dangerous. The best year by this time.
Jesus.
What if what say you will be you?
Amen.
I did about now. I don't struggle to prophesy. But now I have 4 years.
Yes, sir.
31st December. And I'm saying about your 12 years.
Oh, yes.
But why? You what 31st? You call January. What's your 12 Banabi? Now, when you're in opposition, you lose.
Yeah.
Manka.
Papa. 31st watch night.
31st watch night. Now, we hear TV no kura. We hear you now. If you want to say me guy na me you know. No see me seat no. Na branch you.
Na branch you.
Who say me to me no. We say no ordinary. Na no ordinary. I was able to see.
Yes, sir.
4 years
ahead of time.
From 2019 to 2025. But yes, 5 years. One can say that mama me sound the cancer match the next 4 years. But man, I'm the kind of from Amoako Atta.
Yes, sir.
I'm coming to tell him something about effective leadership.
Yes, sir.
How to preserve a good legacy.
Yes, sir.
The Kanyama 8.
Yes, sir.
The quotation I can.
Yes, sir.
Yamako present.
Yes, sir.
Mama 4.
Yes, sir.
Mama quotation.
Yes, sir.
Yamako Baumiaho.
Yes, sir.
Mama 2.
Yes, sir.
Fankobombra.
Yes, Papa.
Nimbie.
Yes.
Asano.
Asawo.
Asawo. Ninyansa. Asawo.
Ninyansa.
Asawo. Asawo.
Administrator. Obabo no oho. Ochina. Tokusia ya no wa abonten. Na fakano. Na fabra. Wo free straight fa na bere. What you say? Am ya de man. E wo se ye to no.
Yes, sir.
Ne nkwan kodi obi ho. Ne hyebere kodi obi, ne bibia kodi obi ho. Akwane nene ho. You been control like a robot. Anya sa ye be hu ne yempe, beti ne yempe. Wo chan ye oje de man. Ebi so okroso.
Amen.
Dem kana what you say?
Yes, sir.
Ewrade nhwe wo so.
Amen.
Ewrade nhwe wo so. I am about to give the president-elect 8 things. Amen.
Amen.
Effective leadership in times of crisis. Who we need at this crucial time. The necessary way. Hey, you are going to be say.
Yes, sir.
I'm say baby, I did. No. Amen. You can be busy without being effective.
Yeah.
You know what I say?
Yes,
sir. You have a busy 4 years without being effective. How to be effective in times of crisis. You know what I say?
Yes, sir.
Number 1, be willing to abandon your own old ideas when someone comes up with something new or better than yours.
Wow.
Number 1.
Be willing.
Be willing. Say ideas are what they are. Say who be implementing no be the full ba.
Are better?
Na are better than you what they buy no one. But once na fair no to.
Switch.
Learn how to
switch.
Them can what I say.
Yes, sir.
Quotation me dey man. Exodus chapter 18. Exodus chapter 18. So you hear him. Exodus chapter 18 verse 13 to 19. Moses and the man in Kosa. Or Hosana na sije to raba. Oba no say ye ye. Exodus chapter 18 verse 13 to 19. You say you can what I say. Kwa pen Moses office nyamana na kasa. Moses wa pipe kokom. Moses awurade nam ne so ma nipa aduane di. Na sifiri baabi e be ka kyen say ne wo ye no. Enye. Wow. Ube wuntem. Legacy be basa. Enipa na brɛ. Uma nipa gina hɔ saa fama no pa kosi anwumere. Wonkwan na obu atan. Wan ka kyerɛ sɛ nyansa wonkwan tirim.
Switch.
Switch. Bana papa na switch. Yam gonna what I say. Yeah. In order for you to be effective, be willing.
Okay.
What if I say there?
Be willing.
Be willing to abandon your old ideas. When someone comes up with something new and better than yours. And no, and na, President Yanya, and then Adiun Koso, Adiun Koso, Adiun Koso. You make what I say?
Yes, sir.
Be willing.
Switch.
To switch. What you can answer, not just say, young one and Yansan would remove. Be willing to take advice.
Yes.
When are you campaign here? When are you manifesto? But we'll be in China. Administrator, then you say, "We did it." You just telling him send a church.
Yes, sir.
For more ideas. To be no be the idea be about a better manifesto.
Yes, sir.
A bit warm, I know.
Switch.
You make a bit,
Oh, yes.
Immediately.
Switch.
Switch. Be willing, number one.
Oh, yes.
Yes,
You're making sense.
2. Effective leaders are willing to admit their mistakes and cut their losses.
Wow.
Every effective leader
Is willing to admit.
And then cut their losses. At the end of the boka. A boka. A bomanica. You have a twaba. Not daughter was 17. Oh man, won't him. Won't him.
Accept.
Accept it. So, near my mind, the man can't just say, you are seeing I, you knew you are seeing I organa. Cut their losses. What if they make what?
Oh, yes, Papa.
What started did he? There's a mama. Now, a bomb manica. No, people say, I don't know, I'm calling you. And Tema, don't say a mistake. Then you cut it. You save yourself, you save your name, you save the nation.
Yes, sir.
Yes, wow.
Wow.
It's a word.
I'm not talking to the real people.
Yes, sir.
I'm on the quotation. 2 Samuel chapter 12, verse 13. Will be a powerful chain or David. No, David, you couldn't see him. Not a corner chain or Cassia Nunsi was say, Bunko to you, with you, Yamen from Bunny Chain.
Willing to accept.
Willing to accept his mistakes and cut his losses.
Yes, sir.
And yes, our bomano. A man of a boca, a man who be chilling. I'm not talking to the real people.
Yes, sir.
8 things I'm telling the incoming president from the mind of God. Our quotation come. A BSc pen with Bible. Telling you the man of God. Them can watch us here.
Yes,
Oh, yes, go, I'm sharing common. Yeah, some can be a juma. You have a candy deep. You who change it, wait, your Bible, master. I'm going to someone habit. Amen.
Amen.
Number 3, right?
Yes, sir.
Don't persist when your original decision turns out to be the poor one. Don't persist.
Don't push it.
Don't push it when the original decision turns out to be the poor one.
Wow.
No more quotation. I mean, we you are wrong with very wrong with this. 1 Samuel chapter 15, verses 25 to 28. I didn't hear any. Na some of them was in your way and uncle. Enti me pembe biafa. Was chin chin chin. Mpesam me koba for them. I say that's what koba for this. And you won't koba. Or then a new okona saw a saw somewhere at him or you know. Some would tune and pan. Na dia not. Was said ye. I did not know.
Won't say.
Atia hini no.
Atia hini.
Atia hini no. Mamunina swan including your ministers. MPs, say changing the papa, you will persist it. Didn't do it. When your original decision is wrong, it's not helping.
Change
Change it.
Switch it.
Oh, yes.
You make a chew 5
Yeah.
because we'll be a yafi. 8 years and go now 4 years.
Yeah.
Don't persist, don't force, don't push it. When your original decision turn out at the end of your poor.
Oh, yes.
That make you effective leader. That make you president real. That make you think about your people, not yourself.
Yeah.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Number 4. Learn to dedicate the right job to the right people at the right time.
Wow.
What do you for me say there?
Learn to dedicate the right job to the right people at the right time.
Because we'll tell me, sir.
Okay.
And when the need comes, be ready to make changes quickly.
Wow.
That's awesome.
And when the need comes, be ready to make changes quickly.
Be ready to make changes.
Don't delay.
Don't delay. Quotation, Ezra chapter 17. They came and Amalekite. Dedicate the right job to the right person
at the right time.
Okay. That was the first time the name Joshua appeared. Adenam.
Wow.
Adenam Moses anka say Aaron. When I watch yawa. We ya busia. Wa pena do.
What's I bra penny?
What's I bra penny? We dia kokono kono yenkwa yenya nyonyam no. Ebebo tiri so. Ebebo wa pampa so. I'm not talking to the Arabians.
Oh yes, sir.
Eric, from nowhere. I see Joshua. Young guy. One corner could choose Mema.
Wow.
Choose me.
I don't want to get involved. The right people.
At the right time.
At the right time.
Fight.
For the right job. 8 years, Mr. President, if I don't know, change you. 8 years. Are right people at the right time. So incoming, some woman. Then, because of time, learn to dedicate the right job to the right people at the right. When the need come, friends said, "Me and I'm dead man." Them said, "You too slow." I'm found when I'm for women. Going to me here, Jina Chang. I didn't have President Kufuor. Stay aside. What can I say? We have another topic. Stay aside. Obiam Maya, no, or yes, shift, change me. President Kufuor. Once or that one, yes, statement.
Yes, sir.
Who's running penny in man? Who's running penny? A chance, Nipa Mahobeto.
Yes, sir.
You're all going down the drain. It's better you to make a changes. Many penny boom, let the nation benefit. Your Excellency, Oba, a man in your bush for you. Only 4 years. My man home Tom.
Amen.
Make a better legacy.
Amen.
Obi abunfu na omano ehon towom.
Yes, sir.
And none the meme nyamia mawamo.
Powerful. Wow.
You obusu afo na to abama. Omutu anya omonko a ana meboa.
Yes, sir.
Manfo ne pie na.
Oh yeah.
Nti you know mo first. Number 5 right.
Yes, sir.
I'm not done. Face the situation as it is, not as you wish it was.
Wow.
Come on, Mama.
Face the situation as it is, not as it not as you wish.
It was. Them can what I say.
Yes.
Who baby? I want to know sikata.
Okay.
Sikata ho. Because the amount for this can what you say tao. Who be bana hini ho.
Face
it
as it is.
as it is, not as you was or wish it was.
Yes, sir.
Them can what I say. Me come na when can't. Face the situation as it is. Brother can't say I know hini ho. It is a decision you have to say I know yet. And don't say we make decisions.
Yes,
face the situation as it is.
As it is.
And yakata so mo so. Me yen na ye hu ne yekoso mo man na hu ne yekoso. Them can what I say.
Oh yes.
Face the situation as it is. Now. Numbers chapter 13 verse 30 to 33. Most asuma busunya dumienu. Omo koya, omo ba omo se ye koye no. Ye nyame kan na we etiri. Ye nyame kan no. Free. Abrabo. Nothing is so free.
Yes, sir.
Omo koya, omo kwa kope enofosuo ni wo wasa. Omo koya there was anak. Instead of facing the situation
As it is.
omo ba ya omo se ni bon microphone ni ma ni adane mebe omo degrade omo face the situation, Mr. President, incoming as it is. Be a real man. Yam gonna what I say. And for answer me good. Say brother, ya no way. Say am be hwini also na person oba. And ye dia ma. Hwi ho a we president. Hwini ho a we president. Me person me catch it. Hwini ho. Face the situation.
Face it.
It is.
Wow. Face
it and become a real man.
Yes, sir.
And make a good legacy.
Amen.
You will be to me farmer woman. Only for the American what I
Yes, Papa.
And I
Papa, perfect. Face it.
Say okay, say repeat it.
Face it.
Offer number 8, minimum 8.
Okay.
Amen.
Amen.
Makai 6. Akatare. Makai 5. 6, 6. Effective leadership is the ability to continually seek ways to increase revenue and reduce the cost of your people.
Wow.
Okay.
Effective leadership.
Effective leadership is the ability to continually seek ways to increase revenue. And reduce the cost of your people.
Seek revenue.
Seek revenue.
And reduce the cost.
And reduce the cost. Say, when we came to Abanado, I was 70. May and I'm called my bar and I'm say, man,
yeah.
You better December, not do 70. May too. Reduce the cost of the burden. Reduce the cost of the burden.
Don't leave it on the people.
Don't leave it on the people. Don't leave it. Who call Singapore? So I call. I tell you the whole national security service. And to tell man who engage you, or no bonko, you know, Tiasama, or man, some echo. Say, in some echo, so Nana, and what didn't. Let's do something. And Tanaman National Security for Medada. Oh, Bibia, cool, Bibia, cool, what cool. No, reduce the cost. Brother Mama, reduce the cost. Any pame bro man, reduce the cost. Do everything possible. Reduce the cost. Reduce the cost for your people.
Amen.
Reduce the cost. Now, we don't pursue kind. 1 Samuel chapter 22 and verse 2. 1 Samuel 22 2.
1 Samuel 22 verses 2. Now David efiri hɔ kɔe na odwane kɔ Adulam bodan mu na ne nuanom ɛde ne gafie nyinaa teeɛ no wosane kɔ ne nkyɛn ɛwɔ hɔ
eti when say you to aba da bia wufi ayema. Yes sir. So for me say da bia di fi ayema. Temu a ne yanto aba ma na wonko na to fi pa ya to aba ma da bia wufi ayema uti anye na kora ma wona yam kora wate ase. Yes sir. Na to aso Osina wona won ho akyere won ene wona wode de aka ene wona won hore ahwo come to abama won to make sure you think about them. Yes sir. Do the course aho kyere nti yetuma ene yetuma the Kenya me adwene de akyere unia no ba won kyen kura no a Eric kan say wona won ho kyere won wona wode de aka wona won madwuma ku. Yes sir. Ene wona won mira ahwo ene ato abama. Verse 3 said,
Verse 3 said, na David efiri hɔ kɔ Mispe ɛwɔ Moab na ɔka kyerɛ Moab hene sɛ mesrɛ wo mamaja ɛne me na ɛne mabusu nyina ɛntena wo nkyɛn kosi sɛ mehunu die Onyankopɔn bɛyɛ me ansɛm de yabusu asɛm dabio ninu no mabegu fie osi atam momo ntena wo nkyɛn. I want to get them out of the governance. Yes sir. Okay. And but me take me decision by myself. Yes sir. Go make David a great leader. Yes sir. David was near 7. Bakumpo, I'm an him. Wanted to be great. Stop the nepotism. Look for the boys. That if you come to you, will be come them. Yes, sir. They say Ghana. Come to Obia. And I'm a boy. Yes, sir. Come to Obia. You never see it. Oh, yeah. If you know Obia, you are Bushan. Nimian call happy. And now, here we get. We don't know. No, John one in chain. No far. Nimianum. No, don't cross over border. Go another country. Was send the animal. No, we don't a woman, a moment, a moment. Wow. If you're watching a miasem, we can't wait till winning a mia jenny. I did boom mine. I can't. I can't. Yes, sir. This is deep. 8. 7. Effective leaders always set high standard and refuse to tolerate mediocrity or poor performance. Performance in yet. Who's free HSS? Performance in yet. Free HSS. Yedi, Yari, Yanom, Yefra. Merci. Don't focus on only one thing and leave the other. I'm going to what I say. Set a high standard. High standard. The motor you out there. Yes, sir. Am I yes, sir? Dubai, so we circle. Dubai. And then set another high standard. Yes, sir. Mr. President.
What you green book? You're touching a vote out because then you bound to set a high standard.
Yes, sir.
What if am I talking? Right?
Yes, Papa.
Then last one,
The 8th one, yeah.
The 8th one. Sure. Effective leadership is when you have the ability to listen to your people when they want to talk to you.
Wow.
Okay.
Ability to listen to your people when they have to talk to you.
Yes,
Have to be accessible.
you have to be accessible.
Yes, sir.
Have to be accountable.
Yes, sir.
Mr. President, your person no bongo.
Sure.
What's my busy? Oh, you're busy. Okay. You know,
Okay.
you know what I say?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Effective leadership is when you have the ability to listen to your people. When they
Want to talk to you.
want to talk to you. So, person be National Assembly, men send this for one line. Mobi amedi, you miss a question head. And now I didn't be what to answer.
Yeah.
Wow.
We are showing we
MPP.
we are people. That way, we need open answer. Mamusa. Mamusa question be head. No, and yet this, and yet this, and yet day. Am I talk to the other people?
Yes, sir.
Now watch me. You better buy a bomb pie. What if I'm saying about to buy a
Yeah, bomb pie.
You see about to buy a
Yeah, bomb pie.
see a bomb pie.
Yes, Papa.
And pie be a bo. What if why not? I didn't Yami answer. Or the funny pass. But the funny pass there. And ye assume you were my women.
Yes, sir.
Nipa bi ho. I see a catch and say more Yadawasia, a Dr. Mambu Baumi.
Wow.
Now, what mammy, and you'll be and who say, oh, yes, Islam, our woman, is the religion of peace.
Yes.
Okay.
That is why you make sure there was no chaos.
Wow.
God bless you.
Amen.
2, one mammy, man who say, I wouldn't know my Sunday, because the word peace is not a subject, it's a person. And that person is Christ.
Yes, sir.
It says, yes, a yes, Suba.
Amen.
Because we for Christ, if I assume you, I'm a man who are done.
Amen.
When you go on Shira,
Amen.
now I come 5 minutes. I mean, I didn't even say, Uncle Pompa. But before them, the can and you to unfat. Amen.
Amen.
Now watch this.
Yeah, watch it.
Ezekiel chapter 16, verse 1 to 4.
Ezekiel chapter 16, verses 1.
Obieno, or China, Oba, I did major memory. The most I'm with you.
Okay, or say, na Eradia Semba mention say, Oni Papa, my Jerusalem in Hunu Chiwadi no.
For also Jerusalem,
Eh, who the chiwadi?
Naka say,
Enti, Yakwa Yaban, Abusia or Machuadi.
Yes, sir.
Yamini Pabia on the Chiwadi.
yes, sir.
Namibia were Chiwadi. Krubia were Chiwadi. Asasibia were Chiwadi. Into the one Knaya and can form Penuko Yokumasi Biancasa.
Yeah.
Wow.
Into your money, Brano, when Yamina Modifu as Ezekiel catch him said, when you were Machuadi.
Or say, catch no say, say Eradia go pon a catch Jerusalem near. Was say anyone who assassin Canaan assassin. What are ye Amorini?
That's a Canaan. Canaan, the word Keniba came from the word Canaan. Enti Muyam Crofa, Moyimo, Mudimo, Mosemo, and a Ghana 40. Oh, ye are no more say. Chiwadi a woman will say gun and in Pesagan and ye da.
Yeah, Papa.
Chiwadi, the year 2025.
Waja eya morini and I want a hitini. Now, what woman dear?
People who hate themselves by themselves to themselves.
Oh,
they tight.
was in our say, was in our woman dear. And that,
or do for say there.
now, what woman dear?
Hannah, I fit 20 tons crossover and Hannah dear. What woman? You call your Muja Humajuma.
What woman dear? And that war when Chawufunuma. Na wamfa nsuo anware wo ama wo ho amfi entoma nso wamfa nkyekere wo obi eyam anhyehye no ama wo anya wo mu bia amfa hu mobɔ na mmom ɔto twene esere so ɛto wo kra ho pe
ɔso ɔto wo twene fa he
esere so
obi ti awade ase bati ato na twene obi ti bank bati ande ya
to na twene
obi wo Obodo ma befre obi wo store sisi anso ya ya ndenya
Ya toto na
sum ya to abusa na to atwene echiwade bi nti
eto wo kra ho pe
so wo kra ho pe
eda wo wo no
da wo wo no
ena me bisa ne wo ho
na me bisa